In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Spotify password on your PC. If you want to do this on your phone, click on the video on the screen right now. If you want to do this on desktop, keep watching and I'll show you how you can do this. So go to Spotify. All you need to do is sign in and click on your profile and then click on account. They will then send you over to this page where you can click on change password right there. Enter your current password and then right there you can come up with your new password, and it's literally that easy. Now if you don't know your current password, all you need to do is sign out, which I'll do right now, and then all you need to do is click on login, and then right there enter your email address or username and then click on forgot your password, and they're gonna send you an email with a link. You can then click on that link and change your password. So that's how you can change your password on Spotify. I hope you appreciate this quick tutorial. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and then I'll see you next time.